Alright, welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing this perfectly popped white cheddar premium popcorn, and I'll insert the video of a closer look of it. But yeah, today I am reviewing this perfectly popped white cheddar premium popcorn. Ooh, smells like popcorn with cheddar, like a white cheddar. But this is what it looks like. Just looks like ordinary popcorn. That's really good. It tastes like the cheddar cheese popcorn, but instead it's like the white cheddar cheese. I like it. And the little, I guess, cheddar flavoring on it. It's like a salt. It looks like a salt rather than a cheddar look. I recommend you guys go out and buy this. It's from the dollar store. So, yeah, really good. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really loved this video, share it with your friends. And comment down below anything you want. And hit that subscribe button if you want to watch my other videos. And if you want to be notified of when I post new videos, hit the notification bell, and have a lovely day or night. Bye!